Okay, day 2 of the getting the ceiling up here. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to get the Reflectix up down the whole thing, and then I'm going to staple it up into here just to hold it in place. And then as I do the rafters, we'll put the insulation board in. So that's the plan. Let's see how that works out. Well, this is the idea. This is the plan for the ceiling. Got the foil faced 1/2 inch, 2 inch of this green, and then the Reflectix. You notice there's a space in here. And then of course you got the aluminum. If you read the label on the Reflectix, people put it right up against stuff and then put it in. It works as an insulation if there's a gap. There has to be an air gap around it. So I just stapled it up and left it a little loose, and so there's the gap below it. If it sags a little bit, that's fine. I'm going to have it solidly anchored at both ends, but by having that little air gap up there, it will do its job of insulation. And of course, a lot of the reason for this is the aluminum backing. With the foam, I went with the full width of the 2 inch, and I cut 1 foot off because, again, same reason, I don't want crack that goes all the way down through. So the next piece that goes up in here will be full sheet, and it's off by 1 foot. So as you saw just how much fun I was having pushing this stuff up in here, I wanted to get the beginning ones so I get this straight. From now on, I can put up a piece of foam, or the foam, and I can stick the rafters in and screw them in. So I've got to cut a few rafters, and it's like, these are 2 foot centers, so I will do at this point 1 more rafter, and then 2, and then we get down here. So all right, let me cut a couple rafters and get ready for the next segment. So as I'm going, I'm gonna cut off the aluminum tape, excuse me, and tape each seam of the green one as I go, and then when I get the ceiling up, I can come back and get the foil face. I gotta get this inner one before I slide in the foil face foam. I'm never gonna see it again. And this is just so that there's no air gap.